Oh,
because
perfect.
usually it's 2 carrots,
Mm-hmm.
2 of these turnips,
Mm-hmm.
okay, then onion,
Three. Just one onion
yeah,
cut.
garlic.
But you didn't peel the garlic.
No, because I'm going to take it out
Okay.
afterwards. So, but there should be, you know. So this, I put the meat. It's a lamb. To get to the boiling point.
And then once it starts boiling, what do you do?
And then, you know, you have to, you know, since the meat is boiling in the water, it comes up some.
We say skim. You skim the surface.
Skim the surface.
Okay. Okay, so tell me again what you do when it starts boiling. You add
salt, pepper, bouquet garni.
bouquet garni.
Bouquet garni.
We would call it a bundle of spices. I'm sure there's a technical term for it that I don't know.
It's not spice.
Herbs, a bundle of herbs.
Yeah.
You're right.
Thyme, laurel. Well, they didn't. Well, usually they put parsley, but there is rosemary too.
And so you're skimming, even though the spoon has holes, it still skims the surface well enough.
Well, anyway.
And then you don't take out the water.
You see, it's not very important.
Okay. Perfect.
Okay, then I put 2 of these, for instance. Yeah, it smells like...
Oh, it smells wonderful, like bay laurel.
Well, I put a few...
What is the word for that spice in French?
Thyme? Thyme? Laurel? Laurier?
Laurier.
Okay. Oh, it's in
the rosemary's in bloom.
Oh, well, anyway, it's not very important. Usually I don't have any rosemary. That's just the butcher who's got.
So usually you would have parsley instead of rosemary.
Yeah.
Laurel, thyme, and parsley.
And parsley. This is all. And then I leave it for an hour.
And just and there's no wine, there's no oil, just water. Okay.
Just, yeah.
Beautiful. Thank you. So you just did, I think, 4 shakes of salt. And the pepper mill.
Well,
I need to give you the one you gave me that's done by, who did it? Fiat or who?
No, Peugeot.
Peugeot. Of course, French, not Italian.
Yeah.
Okay. Wonderful. Oh, so salt and pepper, thyme, laurel, and parsley, normally.
Yeah.
And then we cover it. And you said sometimes you do it for less than an hour, and the recipe says an hour, so you just check to see if the meat is done. So basically it's when the carrots and the turnips are soft and the lamb is cooked through. So. That's how you measure whether or not it's ready for the next step. Okay, so what did you do with this silver bowl?
Well, just to heat it.
You warmed it a bit.
I put it on that when it gets warm.
You set it on top of the pot as it was simmering the meat so that it would be warm and keep the meat warm. Beautiful lamb. And now the turnips and the carrots.
Everything.
Everything goes in the blender. But none. First, you have to take out the. If you've used whole herbs, you have to take out the branch. I don't know what you call it.
Yes, you do.
Ooh, okay, and it goes in the blender. And the blender has to be plugged in. So everything just gets blended now. You taste for the salt at this point, and it probably needs a little more. So you don't use all the water. You just put the vegetables in.
No, because it's going to be
too soupy.
It's going to be the sauce, you know, this. So it should be too water. There would be too much water.
Oui. Okay, so you kept a little bit of the water to add the turnips, carrots. Just enough to make it the consistency that you want.
And then I add, of course, some cream.
Aha! That's very French of you.
Yes.
But still, so far there's been not much fat in this dish at all. So the addition of the cream just gives it a little bit of luxury. Dominant.
Carrots and then,
Okay, you added a spoonful of cream. And this is the amazing and wonderful cream from Isny that I love.
Well, it comes from Isigny.
Isigny.
This is in Normandy, of course. But rosemary leaves so many leaves, you see.
All right, maybe next time no rosemary. We use parsley instead. But I still think with the lamb it will be wonderful. So you taste to your desired amount of pepper and salt.
Because if there is not enough spices, then it's just, I would say, flat, you see.
And now the meat goes in.
There is too much sauce, you see.
Never too much salt. Sauce.
Well, because, of course, with the rice,
it will soak it up.
Yeah. Okay.
It's done. And so now we have the lamb with the carrot and turnip sauce, some rice, and it's a perfect Sunday lunch. I think it will be wonderful. I'm sure of it.